free tickets to the Empire State Building. Here you go, man. I know you want some.
Thank you.
I'm not even joking.
I'm getting sworn by people. Helping take the PU out of New Yorkers' lives. Okay. We was getting raccoons, snakes, all kind of animals was coming through.
It was terrible. It was awful. It was scary.
It was time to take the PU out of the situation and give these people a wonderful new backyard that everyone can use to enjoy to their fullest.
Our knights in shining armor did not come on a white horse, but on a yellow dump truck.
Game 7.
Lucky day.
No. 2 tickets.
Game 7.
To the Bruins game.
Shut up.
Get the tickets. They're yours. Hold them. They're yours. Enjoy them.
Oh my God, you guys took all the PU out of my life.
You want a cheesesteak, you want to come where the originator. It all started right here.
You guys are getting free Philly cheesesteaks.
Wow. Life definitely stinks less with this cheesesteak.
Yeah, they seem excited out there today, didn't they?
Thank you.
Tiny Pat's cheesesteak.
Exactly.
Better than that.
That never gets better than that.
I was like real excited to see all the new stuff that we got.
To connect with nature, you need to be outside.
Tidy Cats and the PU Patrol took the PU out of this situation for the Watson T. Comley Elementary School by expanding beyond the 4 walls of a traditional classroom. That's why Tidy Cats and the PU Patrol are here in Atlanta to help the neighbors who were devastated to learn that their summer sanctuary was destroyed.
Oh, that's chunky.
In 10 years, I've really never seen anybody call me to help out a project like this before, so I thought that was something that was really neat. 14,000 pounds later and many shovels of scooping up debris, we were able to help clean this area up.
Coming into this, I had no idea what we were walking into. I had no idea what to expect. So we walked in and they were all over the place. I didn't even know. I looked down from where I was standing and they were going every which way, and I was like, oh my gosh, they were all over me.
I am just so happy that Tidy Cats stepped up to the plate and are actually paying for this. I mean, they actually told us to treat the entire property for you. The pest control part of this is going to save you about $1,400. Ooh.
So we're gonna hook you up with one of those passes right now.
Unlimited mountain access.
Great. 7 different mountains. You can bring a buddy.
No blackout dates either. Valued at over $600.
You're kidding me.
Oh, we are not.
Are you guys so excited for the winter?
Yes. I'm probably not gonna be able to hold the job now.
1 year subscription to Nice Ride.
That is awesome.
Today's your lucky day because we're giving you
This is yours, man.
No way.
It's your bike, man. It's your bike, man.
Oh my God, no, you're kidding. Okay. Are you serious?
How do you feel right now?
I'm freaking psyched right now.
Members of the Tidy Cats PU Patrol handing out playoff tickets.
Turn me onto your star. Show me one night slowly aching. Make me your what if I say, why don't we play our way our star?
Thank you, Tidy Cats.
Thanks, Tidy Cats.
Thanks, Tidy Cats.
Thanks, Tidy Cats.
Thanks, Tidy Cats. I appreciate it.
PU rocks.